Yes, this is possible. Most people watching this video will never believe it's possible to become rich and actually retire working a regular job. But it's true. It is possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So make sure to watch the video all the way to the end so you don't miss out on any of the steps. If you're not rich, it's because you're not following these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, you need to have an emergency fund. The reason most people are broke is because they don't have an emergency fund and they end up going into debt when an unexpected expense pops up. To avoid this, you need to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in an easily accessible account so that if an emergency does pop up, you can use that money to pay for it. Step 2, start investing. If you want to become rich, you need to start investing your money. There are 2 ways you can invest your money. You can either invest in assets that put money in your pocket, like rental properties, dividend stocks, or a business. Or you can invest in skills that put more money in your pocket, like learning how to code, getting a certification in your field, or starting a side hustle. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I don't have any money, so I can't invest any money. And that is completely wrong. You have money, you just don't see it. You have money in your bank account. What you need to do is transfer some of that money into an investment account and start investing. Don't worry about having a lot of money. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You just need some money. And if you have some money, then you can start investing. Step 3, live below your means. If you want to become rich, you need to start living below your means. Most people don't do this, and they end up spending all of their money on things they don't need. Do not be like most people. You need to track your expenses and cut back on the things you don't need so that you can save more money and invest that money. This is the only way to become rich. It may seem simple, but it's not easy. Becoming rich takes discipline, dedication, and time. But if you're willing to put in the work, then you can become rich too. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.